So we're going for the equation, and there's my pen. Let's see what we've got. We know the center, so that part's done. In the equation, I've got the h, I've got the k, I don't have the r, right? I need the radius. So how can I find the distance between these 2 points? Do I have any tools that tell me that? Distance between 2 points? Yeah, distance formula. And for those that forgot it, write it down. x1 minus x2, square it. Add that to y1 minus y2, square it, and take the square root of everything. So this is going to be, let's see. Hey, notice how there's a lot of similarity here between the distance formula and the formula for a circle? So remember, a circle is all the points the same distance from a common point. So there's going to be a lot of overlap there. So this is going to be the square root of -6 minus -2 squared plus 3 minus 6 squared. And that's me just taking the 2 x's and subtracting them and the 2 y's and subtracting them. So that simplifies to -4 squared, 3 squared, take the square root. That simplifies to the square root of 25, or 5. So now I've got my radius. The distance between the center of the circle and some point on the edge of the circle is 5 units. And the radius is constant all the way around, so that's going to be my radius. So my equation then, x minus, plus 6, because I switched the sign, plus y minus 3.
Yeah, wouldn't it be -3 squared? Why is it +3?
In the formula for calculating the distance,
Well, it would be the same thing no matter what. Though.
right, if you do 6 minus 3, you still end up at 3 squared. Oh, you're looking here?
Yeah, because you did 3
Ah, you're right.
6.
There you go. That should be a negative. Although, again, the beauty of the distance formula, it's idiot proof.
Yeah.
Can't screw the signs up. And then 5 squared is 25. And someone was asking earlier, I had a professor in college who would actually insist we write it this way. Where we'd actually write the radius squared. We don't turn it into a number. Keep it what the actual radius is and write a little squared with it. Don't do that for us. But if you like that, you're not alone in it. That's something that some people like to do. It's like leaving that 0 in. It's a way of showing you get the formula, but it's not considered proper form. It's kind of bending the rules a little bit. It's like using ain't in an essay. You know, we know what you mean, and maybe it's an appropriate thing for that circumstance because it's what you would have normally said. We want it dressed up a bit for the formal turn-in version. Well, yeah, dialogue you can get away with anything because it's dialogue. You can swear, you can use contractions, make up words because it's dialogue. So that's different. Don't do dialogue in math. Nice, neat, clean, formal conversation. All right.